In this video, I wanted to give a very simple thank you to the 10,000 of you who have become subscribers to this channel. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, last night at about 2:45 in the morning, it finally happened. This channel finally hit 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, I can only say it was a lot of hard work, okay, to get that far. It was one of the major milestones that I wanted to achieve for this channel. And quite honestly, even though I've had, I think, about 2.5 hours of sleep since then, I think it's cause for celebration. Needless to say, as much wine as I've got some 25 gallons of wine available to me, I think this calls for something a little stronger, okay? So even though there's a toast with no later on, I just wanted to say thank you very much for subscribing to this channel, and hopefully there'll be many more videos and many more subscribers later on. To that end, cheers. That is satisfying. All right, before I switch over to another scene, I just want to say once again, thank you very much. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with a lot of useless statistics and telling you how this is how you need to make 10,000 subscribers and this is what you need to do step by step, so on and so forth. That's not what this channel is for. What I'm going to do is simply show you one screen, and this screen is going to tell you quite a bit. This particular screen is showing you, most importantly for me, is that I've got 10,000 subscribers. Okay, yay. But more importantly, and I think this applies to every YouTube channel starting out, in the lower left-hand corner, this is where every YouTube channel starts at, 0. And quite frankly, unless you've got an amazing idea, this is where many YouTube channels are going to stay for a little while until people discover you. And once people begin to discover you and you start producing some interesting content, that's when your channel is going to start to grow. And as you can see, it's been a pretty gradual growth in terms of this channel, but it does grow. If you're starting your YouTube channel, stick with it. If it doesn't look like your channel is making it after a couple of months, maybe that's not quite the niche that you want to do, and you might want to try something a little bit different. In my case, things started to pick up when I started to look at, this was making a lemon wine video. I started looking at all of the videos that were currently out there and decided that, hey, you know what? I can do that better. And quite frankly, not to brag much, but that's exactly what I did. I produced a better lemon wine video, and my channel got noticed and began to pick up, and it just progressed on from there. So I'm just simply saying, in this particular segment, if you're starting your YouTube channel, don't be put off by the fact that nobody's going to notice that you're there initially. Things will improve over time. Okay, one of the people who has helped to make my channel the success that it's been in getting up to the 10,000 subscriber mark has been No. You know her as Liz. She joined the channel a bit late, but she has, in her own way, helped the channel grow. You've seen her do a number of winemaking videos, a few, and you've seen her doing a number of live streams in which she's become a mainstay as the special guest in helping answering questions from a lot of the users and viewers. Again, we appreciate it. Without making it too long of an effort, kind of like to get Nono's thoughts on what she's thought of this channel and how it's achieved its 10,000 subscriber goal.
Well, it has been quite a journey, a very interesting journey. I was there at the beginning. I can proudly say that I was the very first subscriber. And so I'd like to say congratulations and welcome to the 10,000th subscriber. He has grown since then. The videos are becoming more refined. The content is wonderful, and the wines are very tasty. So I look forward to the next 10,000.
Well, again, thank you for that. I appreciate it, and I'm quite sure she'll be with us for a number of other videos to come in the future. But since she is here for this particular segment, I thought a toast was in order. We're going to have signs and balloons and banners and whatnot, but I decided, I'm too tired. I mean, at the moment for this scene, I just got off work. I had gone back to work, gotten off retirement for a minute to clean up a few loose ends, and about 15 minutes ago, walked in through the door to film this particular segment. So I'm
Some of us have never stopped working.
But it's only going to be for another couple of weeks, and then I'm going back to retirement. But with regards to my 10,000 subscribers and no one's participation in it from the very beginning, a simple toast is in order. Cheers.
Congratulations. Oh.
I'll tell you what that is after after we get off camera. I will say that this is not one of mine.
Is it good? Is it bad luck to toast the 10,000th subscriber of your wine channel in a wine other than yours?
Yes, because the nature of this channel is winemaking on a shoestring budget. All of my wine bottles are recycled wine bottles, and I'm in the process now where I need. I've got 3. This makes that one will make 4. I still need 1 more before I can rack another 1-gallon jug. So yeah, I still have to buy. Technically, I guess you could call it wine, but I still need the bottles, and whatever event I can use to buy another wine bottle so I can use it for something that I made, I will do that.
Okay.
Anyway, again, this is just a simple short segment. I know Nono's probably she's had a long day. I'll probably be up for a little while longer. It's late at night here for this particular segment, and again, appreciate all of the effort that you've put into it to help make this channel a success.
Thank you for having me.
And we'll see you in the next video.